Hello there, this is Chris from Hostcom, and today my challenge is to remotely repressurize a Baxi boiler and grab a meter reading at a domestic property all within 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. So here we go. It'll be done using Hostcom's RVX Remote Visual Assistance tool, which integrates with Simpro, and of course our property owner, who will be helping us access the areas we need to get to. RVX has been added to Simpro using a browser extension. The session controls are now visible, and I've invited the property owner using an SMS invite link. Here you can see the remote iPhone video feed, overlaid so we can see both ends. Both participants are now looking at the same scene. So let's get started. We'll use the live pointer first so the property owner knows where to focus. Next, we'll use the annotation tool to clearly show what needs to be done. You can talk through the HD voice channel while annotating. The tool lets you guide anyone to a resolution with clear instructions. The annotated image can then be saved and added to the Simpro job files. The host can control the remote smartphone torch and camera zoom, which is handy for capturing data such as a gas council or serial number without troubling the remote person. The remote device does not need an app installed. RVX uses standard browser functionality, so it works on any smartphone. RVX uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to accurately capture text from any image. You can edit the text and discard anything not needed. Here we've captured the GC number without involving the property owner, who may sometimes struggle to read it. So we've completed the first part of the job. Next, let's quickly grab the meter reading and we can complete this task. This is a good demonstration of the value of remote visual assistance. The host is able to instruct the remote person here on how to display the meter reading, and then to use OCR to capture it and save it to Simpro. You can view captured images using the image browser on session. These images are saved to the Simpro job after the session is completed, and we'll take a look at that next. Here you can view your session files relating to the Simpro job, which can be viewed on the browser here. Thanks for watching to the end. If you can spare 2 more minutes, I'll show you the Google Maps integration, which uses a smartphone's geo-coordinates to display its current location on satellite or map view. You can also take measurements using it. Also, I'll show you the Typeform integration, which lets you put task checklists onto the session so the host can work to a routine within objectives or compliance guidelines.